Hey everybody, welcome back to Grey County Grilling. Chris here. I want to thank you all for stopping in today. We are firing up the Weber kettle and we're going to cook some pork tenderloins. They are going to turn out awesome and we are actually going to take them on over to our friend's place when we have dinner with them tonight. So stick around. These should turn out awesome. So here are the two pork tenderloins that we're going to do on the kettle today. Both of them injected with Cajun Injector's Creole butter. And the top one was rubbed with Smokey Applewood rub from Pampered Chef. The second one, we got it with some pig's ass rub. So I'll let both of them sit for a little bit longer before we throw them on the kettle. Okay, the Weber is set up for some indirect grilling. I've got my new charcoal baskets. I am so sorry for the wind. It is super windy here today. I've got my new charcoal baskets and I've got those filled with some charcoal. I'll toss a couple of small chunks of cherry wood on there and we'll wait till she comes up to temp. Alright, the tenderloins are on. And we'll just get the food probe pushed into one of them so we get an idea of when they're done. 145 is the internal temperature we're going for, so I'll pull them just a little bit before that. Things are looking good. All right, so the ThermoPro is reading 109 on the tenderloin that we've got the probe stuck in, but I'll take my Weber instant read thermometer here and we'll just kind of get an idea. Oh, they're looking pretty good already. Alright, so we'll stick it into this first one here. And yeah, that's reading 109, 110. So yeah, we're pretty close with that one. And this other one here. Actually, that one's even hotter at 114, 113. Alright. So things are going along pretty good. We've got some awesome looking tenderloins in there. Stick around. All right, we're at 146 internal temperature on the ThermoPro probe. So we'll take the lid off. We'll get that instant read in there and see what it tells us. And you can see that there at 139. On that one, this one here was reading a little bit higher. What do we got on this one? 158. Okay, 159. All right, so that one is pretty much done. All right, now I'm going to sear that one. Or at least try to. I'm not sure how well this is going to work, but oh, well, that's a good sound. So I'm just going to put it right over top of the coals just for a few seconds. Let's get a good nice sear on it. It's got great color on it and smells fantastic. Tracy came out to comment on how amazing it smelled. All right, and the other one on the ThermoPro probe is saying that it's 150, so let's stick the instant read into that one. See what we get. Okay, 142, let's call it. All right, so I'm gonna sear that one too. This one will flip over. There we go. It is super windy out here, so you can probably see some ash flying. You can certainly hear the wind anyway. Okay, I'm gonna give this one a flip. that looks good. There's a nice sear on that. How's that? Oh yeah, we got some good char on that one. All right, I'm gonna put that one back into the middle and grab a foil pan. And that one I bet is probably pretty good too. And we'll put these back into the middle, grab a foil pan, and then we're gonna wrap these up. All right, the tenderloins have sat and rested for a little bit. This doesn't look like our kitchen because we have gone over to our friends Joe and Tiffany.
It's not our kitchen.
It's not our kitchen. So Tracy is going to do the honors of cutting into the tenderloins.
Ooh.
Ah. Well, you can see the marinade coming out.
We've got Joe and Tiffany here that are going to be our testers.
Yeah. So Tiffany gets the first bite.
Joe? Joe? Would you like a bite?
Joe is saying yes.
Joe is, well,
sure.
He made a funny face. Chris, would you like a bite of this?
I'll take a little piece, yes please.
It is delicious and tender.
Thank you.
I'm going to grab a different fork because you had totally gobbled all over that one.
That's
How
really
is it,
good.
Christopher?
It's really good.
Okay, let's try this one. Joe, how was it?
Good.
Good. This one also looks done. Would you like to try the other one, Joe? Bella? Bella's gonna have a taste.
We just got everybody tasting today.
Christopher, don't goober on this one. I'll have a taste. That's excellent. Would you like to try the other one, Tiffany?
Oh, yes.
Both of them fantastic.
Yes, you did very good.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right. So thanks for watching, everybody.
That one is my favorite.
That one's your favorite?
That one's my favorite.
Awesome. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, comment, and we will see you next time.